Are you looking for the best budget dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the 8 best budget dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so I'll make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Thinkware X1000 Front Plus Rear Dash Cam. If you prefer not to connect your dash cam to your phone, the Thinkware X1000 is a robust, dual-sided dash cam with plenty of features and is relatively easy to use without an app. It sports a large 3.5-inch touch display and a straightforward onboard user interface. Both the front and rear-facing cameras record in QHD, though they work surprisingly well in less than ideal driving conditions. The Thinkware X1000 also boasts an impressive temperature rating thanks to a capacitor, parking mode, and an optional GPS accessory that unlocks a range of driver assist features. It even comes with a 32GB microSD card to store and transfer your footage. Unfortunately, this dashcam comes with one big caveat. You'll need to wire the rear camera to your car's electrical system, which requires either better-than-average automotive know-how or professional installation. Once it's set up, though, the X1000 is easy to use. Number 2. Escort AmazeCam 360C. If you want a dash cam and a radar detector, Escort AmazeCam 360C combines both functions into one effective device. A trusted brand in the radar detector space, the Escort AmazeCam 360C can pick up all major police bands and alert you to laser detection. It doesn't have the same functionality as the new and improved Escort AmazeCam 360C MK2, our favorite radar detector, but experts and users agree this is still one of the best options out there. But what about video performance? The QHD camera performs well during the day and reasonably well at night. Given that it's a combo, the AmazeCam 360C doesn't have a luxurious feature set, but it has a G sensor, so it will start capturing footage in the event an impact is detected. That said, unlike other models in this guide, there's no backup power source, so if a collision disables the car battery, you won't be able to record. Still, this is a great option for folks who want to keep an eye out for speed traps as they record the road ahead. Number 3. Garmin Dash Mini 2. Though it's a bit older than the other options on this list, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 remains the obvious choice for drivers who want a small, discreet dash cam. Thanks to its tiny 1.2 by 2.1 by 1.1 inch footprint and suction cup mount, you can set it and forget it in a flash. It's also easy to move from vehicle to vehicle. The small footprint obviously creates some limitations. At Full HD 1080p, it has the lowest resolution of any of our picks. It lacks a display, which may frustrate some users while adjusting settings. It also doesn't have GPS support, which limits its functionality beyond basic recording. The problems aren't as bad as they sound, though. The video resolution is still clear in daylight and stays generally readable in low light. Though it doesn't have any onboard controls, Garmin's Drive app makes it easy to control settings with voice commands, review recordings, and handle storage transfers. Like the other Garmin cams, you can also enable cloud backups with a Garmin Vault subscription. This dashcam puts nearly everything we look for in a dashcam in the smallest possible package. Number 4. Garmin Dashcam Live. The new Garmin Dashcam Live is one of the most feature-rich options out there, with the unique, tech-driven functionality to keep new drivers safe. Its signature highlight is the ability to watch what your camera is looking at any time on your phone via livestream. That may give peace of mind to anxious parents who want to check on their kids during their first weeks on the road. It also allows you to track your car's location via GPS and get alerts if your car moves when your phone isn't inside. All of those outstanding features come with an annoying catch. Most of them are only enabled when you pay a monthly LTE subscription. The $9.99 subscription also backs up your recordings to the cloud and enables additional notifications. Beyond its smart features, the Dashcam Live is a decent, fully featured dashcam. The QHD camera works surprisingly well in daylight and decent in low light. It also offers a laundry list of useful features, including voice-activated controls and parking mode. We certainly understand if you balk at paying a monthly fee, but the Dashcam Live delivers the kind of features that are worth a subscription. Number 5. Vantru N4 Pro 3-channel Dashcam. With 3 cameras to cover the front, back, and interior of your vehicle, the Vantru N4 Pro is the perfect choice for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants full coverage of their vehicle while driving. Its primary, front-facing camera captures in 4K resolution, while the 2 secondary cameras record in Full HD. While that isn't ideal, the secondary cameras have features that cater to their specific uses. The interior-facing camera has an infrared mode that switches on in the dark. The rear camera supports high dynamic range (HDR) processing to minimize blown-out lighting and grainy shadows. Both secondary cameras also have wider fields of view, allowing you to visualize the interior and behind your car. You also get plenty of useful bells and whistles. The N4 Pro features voice control, GPS, a 3-inch display, and a functional, but slightly clunky companion app. It also supports parking mode with motion detection if you install the optional hardware kit. That said, this unit features an internal capacitor that allows it to record after an impact without a direct connection to power. With 3 cameras and so many useful features, the Vantrue N4 Pro keeps an eye on every part of your car, inside and out. Number 6. Garmin Dashcam 57. The Garmin Dashcam 57 has been on the market for a couple of years, but it still stands out as an appealing option for drivers who want a small and straightforward video capture setup. Recording in QHD 1440p, the footage isn't quite as detailed as our top picks, but it delivers sharp daytime footage. Things get a little grainy at night and in inclement weather, but the quality should be usable in an emergency. I personally love that, at 2.2 by 1.6 by 0.9 inches, the Dashcam 57 is compact and discreet. Compared to the size of the device, the 2-inch display feels huge. I would have preferred a touch screen, but this unit has voice-activated controls that make it easy to adjust on the road. Plus, the 57 also plays nice with the Garmin Drive app, which is far more intuitive after a recent overhaul. Even a simple dashcam should have some special features, though, right? The Dashcam 57 features a host of driver assist notifications, like lane departure warnings, forward collision warnings, and go reminders. You also get parking mode, which will capture 15 seconds of footage if an impact with your vehicle is detected. Number 7. 78 sa dashcam. For less than $150, the 70mm A800S captures clear 4K video, even in less than ideal lighting. It's also fairly feature-packed for the price, with dual-channel support, built-in GPS, driver assist warnings, and more. You can easily review videos in the car or adjust all of these settings using its built-in 3-inch display. You can enable parking mode, though it requires a $20 hardware kit. The great price and solid features come with a few caveats, though. Users report that the 70My companion app has both connectivity and UI issues on iOS and Android. It also struggles in sub-freezing temperatures, so make sure to take it out of your car during the winter. All that aside, the A800S offers a lot of functionality and high-resolution video for a very affordable price. That's not too shabby. Number 8. Nextbase 622GW Dashcam. The Nextbase 622GW checks all of the above boxes and then some. It captures in crisp 4K, producing detailed footage in both bright and low-light conditions, the latter of which comes courtesy of an impressive night vision mode. It also features a 3-inch touch screen, which has an intuitive interface. This pick also opens the door for a wider range of complex setups. For not too much more cash, $100, you can add additional cameras to film the interior or out the back window of your vehicle. And, like most of the models here, installation of a relatively affordable, $30, accessory hardware kit unlocks even more features, like the ability to monitor your car and begin capture when something occurs, even while you're away. In the event of an accident, the 622GW features SOS mode, which will call and send GPS coordinates to emergency personnel in the event of an accident, even if you're unresponsive. It also features a built-in battery that can power the camera in the event the car battery is disabled. That battery has a tendency to fail in extreme heat, though, so you definitely don't want to leave it baking in the hot Texas summer sun. That caveat aside, this is among the most well-rounded dash cams out there.